Hello everyone, we are from Group 3, RKS 207. We will be presenting our project Comprehensive PBL Implementation. This project consists of 5 members, Albert Rian Jugi as the group leader, and 4 members, Hana Rafifa Helmi, Muhammad Ramadan Suhandi, Yayang Ariasti, and Zahratul Hasan. Next, our project background. Our project is titled Secure Network Infrastructure for Mitigating Insider and External Threat using a telecom company as the case study. It's inspired by a real incident in 2020. Beta Telecom experienced an insider threat company data was leaked out by internal employee. There were also customer data leaks, specifically phone numbers, which were often misused for fraud, showing weak access control and poor digital trail management. Next, let's look at our topology and infrastructure. At the center, we have pfSense firewall for controlling our traffic. It connects to three zones. First, with DMZ for the web server, switch LAN for the domain controller and database, and switch DVC for the director manager and customer service client.
So the objective of, of this project are design network segmentation on PFSense to restrict access between zones, implement and test ACL so that data traffic follow private policy, manage user access requests on job position via Active Directory and GPS as insider threat mitigation, implement RBAC backup and recovery for web servers, SAMBA and SSH service, implement TLS SSL AS256 encryption and password hashing to protect customer data confidentiality. Test infrastructure resilience through simulated external and internal. For the project outputs are 1. Segmented network infrastructure, 2. Access management system ADN GPO, 3. Internal website plus RPC, 4. Automated backup and recovery system, 5. Data security, and 6. Complete report and documentation.
Next, next, project progress. For our progress so far, we've broken it down into four main areas. First, network communication, offering PSN, ACL, and network segmentation has reached 95%. Second, Windows fundamental, including Active Directory, GPO, BitLocker, and audit log, is fully complete at 100%. Here, system administration covering NGX, backup recovery, and RBAC is also 100%. Fourth, cryptography, including ICE256, Bcrypt, and TLS, SSL, currently stand at 95%. Overall, our project progress right now is around 97.5%. And on the right, you can see the internal PT Telkom website, which is already fully functional. Next, I will explain project execution story or logbook. Week 1 determine leakage to the Telkom initial topology design and role assessment among members. Week 2 basic implementation multi-zone PSN setup, Windows Server and Ubuntu Server installation, Active Directory configuration. Week 3 GPO configuration per member, PSN, ACL, NGX, and internal website for automation backup system. Week 4 data recovery testing, RBAC, and password testing implementation, TLS, SSL, and ICE256 encryption deployment. Week 5 audit and log monitoring, OSL automation, and Telegram alert report writing. Week 6 finalization documentation, prepare for AAS, and presentation materials.
During the project, we faced a few challenges.
First, the cron backup fell because a VM was turned off. The second, Telegram notifications were sometimes delayed. And the last, VM network adapter issue temporarily affected our GNS 3 topology. However, we resolved the issue and completed the project successfully. Okay, each member had a specific responsibility. First, Yaya handled networking, and Ramadan worked on system administration and RBAC. Albert focused on cryptography. Hannah was responsible for Windows fundamental, and the last Zahratul managed the Ubuntu server, backup automation, and log monitoring.
For the next stage, there are three main tasks that we will complete. First, we will finalize the Samba configuration and strengthen the server security by implementing SSH hardening. Second, we will implement network monitoring using Wireshark to perform more advanced network traffic analysis. And the third, we will complete the project documentation, conduct a comprehensive review, and prepare for the final demonstration and presentation. This concludes our presentation, and we hope our project has provided valuable insight into secure network infrastructure design. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day.
Attempt to log in via SSH as the root user, and the server denied the authentication request in accordance with the implemented security policy using the permit root login configuration. Next, access the internal website hosted on NGX, and I was successfully server and accessible. And the last, the automated backup system was executed through a cron job. The backup was stored locally and automatically transferred to server 1 as a secondary backup, as shown in the backup logs and the backup directory.